One thing about me is I'm the world's worst packer ever. So of course, like 2 days before my flight to the US, I dragged my friend Alexa, as well as my giant suitcase filled with stuff, all the way down to Shizuoka. The 2-hour train ride wasn't terrible. We did get a couple of weird looks in the beginning of the ride, especially because we were in like the popular touristy areas, but I mean, why look awkward alone when you can look awkward together? At least we had double the manpower for lugging my suitcase throughout each station though, because we had to transfer trains like a billion times. We did get lost when we got off the final train because for some reason we entirely overlooked the huge sign saying exit right above us. So it took us a hot minute to get out of there. Then we finally made it to Selen's house and we saw her cat. His name is Hachi and he's the sweetest thing. He kind of reminded me of my cat because he just stayed under the bed like the whole time. After dropping off my stuff, we headed over to Atami station to see the market. For some reason, when we got off the train, Alexa and I got separated from Selen in like this huge crowd, and some totally random guy came up to us, and he said, "I really like your apple." I didn't realize that this must have been like a Google translated phrase, and probably meant something like, "I like your vibe." I swear the whole rest of the day, I was trying to figure out like what possibly could have been the outcome of that interaction. At the end of the day, this was just your average pickup / nampa situation. I'm surprised it happened all the way down in like Atami because there weren't that many people around in the first place. So the fact that this guy randomly came up to us just like threw me off. I swear we were on a hunt for normal food, but it was kind of unsuccessful, so we ended up with overpriced pizza for lunch. But I think at that point we were too hungry to care.
Casual, it's okay. Nothing's there yet.
Test. Take a sip. This is the jello.
Like a color palette?
Mixed fruit. Atami Fruit King mixed fruit jello.
Oh wow. How's the vibe?
It does kind of taste like water. But it's good.
Okay. I love syrup water.
You like it?
Yeah, okay, but those are supposed to be good. Trust, I've tried those before.
She is this. Oh, she's pretty.
I can't even see her.
So
So
show her off.
small. Yo, I thought she was gonna be bigger.
She's pretty slay. I've got like matcha in my lungs now, but I think it's like the
You like do a line of matcha.
It's like white chocolate.
Where's the inside?
Oh, yeah. Right on the chin. Kind of nice, right? Take another bite before we move on.
Matcha fruit something. Guys, I'm an influencer.
It's a little less colorful than she used to be.
Yay!
Yay! This is
She
like
tastes a little oxidized.
What does that even mean?
I want to know. Wow. She does kind of taste oxidized.
Well, it's got bits of chocolate in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
that
I didn't
gonna
try
say
the
fries.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Look, this one doesn't like. It looks fresh.
Well, there's
Yeah.
nothing for it to oxidize.
There's nothing to oxidise. That's pretty slay.
Really?
I like the whole like orange too. Hope you didn't want any of that. Damn, bro, this sandwich isn't gonna run away. Calm down. You've got whipped cream still in the corner of your mouth. What do you mean calling me a dog?
Look, there's like.
Loves the matcha, yeah.
Okay, I only have that.
Which I ate. No, we ate.
We ate.
It was a team effort.
I'll take a nibble.
You guys can get it. I don't like.
You don't
I
like
remembered that I don't like this.
Ah, I love Anski. Okay, all like our rankings.
Wow, we have very.
So me and we have
So you guys got the
yeah.
same taste. Oh, our
Just
camera like has
weird.
progressed. Okay. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna remember her as like, wow, we could never agree on any of the food because Lizzie was such a problem. You know?
So like Hojichado.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes. Oh.
So
Oh, wow.
Wait,
Yeah, give her a squeeze on the sides, maybe. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Wow. Hey, don't kill him. It's not his fault. I'm filming the Osaka Cafe.
One thing about me, I'm always down to eat, so I made sure to take us through a different route than Google Maps and go through Shibuya where they have my favorite kebab stand. I love the kebab guys, they're open all the time, they're my goats. Now technically 2 days later, it was the day of my flight and I somehow made it to my dorm by 7 in the morning for checkout. I had to scooter my way to the nearest train station and take my first trains home, but thankfully I somehow made it to my flight. It looks so tiny. I'm at LAX with my... I did not sleep on that plane. I tried to so bad, but then, I don't know, I felt like I was dying. If you guys have a night flight and then you have a connection and then you land in like the daytime, and you don't want to be jet lagged, I just did like my full-on skincare routine in the bathroom. I helped. Also, I pierced my ear. You know those like donkey piercers? I took one of those and I did it like, I think like 5 minutes before I checked out of my dorm room. Gotta leave my first year with memories, I guess. You know, left a permanent mark. It is not where I would have loved for it to be. I wanted it like a little bit slower, but I actually made a different hole and I didn't like put it all the way through. So then I got scared to do it in the same place and I just like did it a little. That's okay. It's okay. At least it won't get like messed up. I hope. It's my life. I think my boarding is after boarding and flying my like 6 hours to Miami. I finally got picked up by my brother and taken home. I was so happy to be off those flights finally and like get some air conditioning going. And I got to see my cat. That's how I finally got here. Don't look at my messy dresser. I know I just pointed it out, but like, couple updates. Pink tips had to go. That pink that you see in clips and photos, I dyed my hair 3 years ago. Like full magenta, and then it just grew out like that. I don't know how that happens. I think my hair has like a weird mind of its own. But yeah, so for now, this is the new look. I had to get a summer cut because I was not going to survive this summer without layers. I do have a Miami special coming for you guys soon. Not really Miami and not really a special. We drove to the other side of the state, which was really interesting and very different. I forgot how like my coast is so different from like the West Coast. I don't know, that's pretty crazy to me. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.